Good morning. I love Vizag Beach. Today, 4th May 2025, we completed our 604th beach cleanup successfully. A group of 19 volunteers collected 17 bags of trash. We collected water bottles, glass bottles, plastic glasses, cloth waste, ropes, sticks, some of the nanoplastic grasses bags. ఇంకా మనం చూసుకుంటే చాలా వరకు వైర్లు కానీ బాటిల్స్ కానీ చాలా వరకు ఇంకా బీచ్ లో డగ్ అయిపోయినవి కూడా మేము డగ్ చేసి మరి తీసాము. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ద వాలంటీర్స్ who participate in the 604th beach cleanup. I would like to share his experience.
Good morning. My name is Swami Vardhan. It is very bad to see that so many turtles, crabs and all sea animals are dying due to plastic wastes and carry bags which have been dumped in soil. So don't throw any plastic bags or cloths in sea. Thank you.
I love Vizag Beach. I love Vizag Beach. I love Vizag Beach. Do you?